Neuroscience has turned conventional wisdom upside down. The old view of how brain one, the brain in your head, influence human behavior can be summed up this way. Whenever you have a direct experience, such as interacting with a person or facing a challenge, problem, or opportunity, it comes to you through the five primary senses and enters the nervous system. In this traditional model, each experience goes right to the brain and you think about it, responding with behavior. Everything happens in your head. Reality, as we will see in a moment, is nothing like that. In fact, whenever too much brain activity is drawn up into thinking and remembering, not enough brain energy is left for feeling and experiencing the scope and the depths of what's new right now. As a result, performance that could be ingenious and practical becomes clumsy and irrelevant. There are times when reliance on the thinking brain is not only insignificant to the acquisition and expression of caring or expertise, it actually seriously interferes. Every day we are learning more about the mysteries of human intelligence and the ways to keep expanding and deepening our inherent potential. Here are several highlights of the findings to date. First, we now know that intelligence is distributed throughout the body. When it comes to brilliance or insight, we cannot separate the body from the mind. Whenever you have a direct experience, it does not go directly to the brain to be thought about. The first place it goes is to the neurological networks of the intestinal tract and heart. The brain in the gut. Every contact point with life creates a gut feeling. You may notice it as butterflies in your stomach or a knot of intestinal tension or excitement, or depending on how intensely you have been trained to always stay in your head alone, you may not notice it at all. The brain in the heart. After each experience has been digested by the enteric nervous system, it's the heart's turn to ponder. In the 1990s, scientists in the emerging field of neurocardiology discovered the true brain in the heart, which acts independently of the head, comprised of a distinctive set of more than 40,000 nerve cells called baroreceptors, along with a complex network of neurotransmitters, proteins, and support cells. This heart brain is as large as many key areas of the brain in your head. It has powerful, highly sophisticated computational abilities, just as the brain in the gut uses its neural circuitry to act independently, learn, remember, and respond to life. So does the brain in the heart. The brain in the head. Third stop for nerve impulses is an area at the base of the brain known as the medulla. Several key things happen there. Inside the medulla is a vital link to the reticular activating system, or RAS. The RAS connect with major nerves in the spinal column and the brain. It thought the 100 million impulses that assail the brain each second, deflecting the trivial, letting the vital through to alert the mind.